The 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air holds a special place in automotive history as one of the most iconic cars of its time. It marked Chevrolet's entry into the pillarless hardtop coupe market, combining the elegance of a convertible with the comfort and rigidity of a closed-roof vehicle. This innovation set the stage for a design trend that would define American automobiles for years to come. At its core, the 1950 Bel Air was built on the foundation of the Chevrolet Deluxe model, but it introduced a revolutionary new roofline that set it apart from the standard coupes and sedans. The hardtop design, which eliminated the traditional B-pillar between the front and rear side windows, created a sleek, open look when the windows were rolled down, giving the impression of a convertible. This was a game-changer at the time, offering car buyers the best of both worlds, the stylish flair of a soft top with the durability and weatherproofing of a steel roof. Under the hood, the 1950 Bel Air was powered by Chevrolet's reliable, Blue Flame, inline-six engine. This 3.5-liter, 216 cubic inch powerplant produced around 92 horsepower and was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, with the option for Chevrolet's 2-speed Powerglide automatic, one of the earliest automatic transmissions offered by the company. While not the fastest car on the road, the Bel Air prioritized smooth driving, reliability, and efficiency, which made it incredibly popular among American families. One of the standout features of the 1950 Bel Air was its styling. It featured a beautifully curved body, a distinctive chrome grille, and elegant lines that gave it a refined yet sporty appearance. The car's two-tone paint options further enhanced its appeal, with a variety of color combinations that highlighted its graceful contours. The interior was equally stylish, featuring comfortable bench seats, a dashboard adorned with chrome accents, and a steering wheel that exuded classic American charm. The introduction of the Bel Air was a strategic move for Chevrolet, aiming to capture the growing market of post-war consumers who desired a vehicle that balanced luxury with affordability. At the time, American car buyers were looking for something fresh and exciting, and the Bel Air delivered just that. It was a car that symbolized optimism, prosperity, and the booming automotive industry of the 1950s. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Bel Air also represented technological advancements. The availability of the Powerglide automatic transmission made driving more accessible to a broader audience, especially for those who preferred a more effortless experience behind the wheel. Additionally, Chevrolet's sturdy body construction and well-designed suspension system ensured a comfortable ride, whether cruising through city streets or embarking on a long highway journey. Culturally, the 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air quickly became a symbol of the American dream. It was featured in movies, advertisements, and pop culture, solidifying its place as one of the most beloved cars of its era. For many, owning a Bel Air was a status symbol, a reflection of success and modernity. It became a popular choice among car enthusiasts, young drivers, and families alike. As the years passed, the Bel Air evolved, but the 1950 model remains a cherished classic. Collectors and vintage car lovers today continue to admire its timeless design, solid engineering, and the nostalgia it evokes. Restored versions of the 1950 Bel Air are highly sought after, with enthusiasts meticulously preserving their original charm while sometimes upgrading mechanical components for improved performance and drivability. Car shows and vintage automobile gatherings often feature beautifully maintained 1950 Bel Airs, drawing admiration from onlookers who appreciate the craftsmanship of a bygone era. The attention to detail, from the gleaming chrome trim to the smooth curves of its body, makes it a standout even among other classic cars. Many owners take pride in showcasing their Bel Airs, sharing stories of restoration projects, road trips, and the deep sentimental value these vehicles hold. Even among modern vehicles, the 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air continues to captivate those who see it. Unlike today's mass-produced cars with advanced technology, the Bel Air represents a time when automotive design was an art form. Every line and curve was carefully crafted to create a visually stunning and functionally efficient automobile. The legacy of the 1950 Bel Air extends beyond just car enthusiasts. It has inspired generations of designers and engineers who appreciate the balance of style and practicality. Many classic car restorers consider working on a Bel Air a dream project, as it allows them to connect with a pivotal moment in automotive history while bringing a vintage masterpiece back to life. Today, owning a 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air is a point of pride for classic car collectors. The nostalgia and admiration surrounding this vehicle ensure that it remains a treasured piece of American automotive heritage. Its presence at classic car auctions, museum exhibits, and vintage rallies speaks to its enduring appeal. In conclusion, The 1950 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a car, it is a symbol of an era defined by innovation, elegance, and the spirit of progress. Its unique design, reliable performance, and cultural significance have cemented its place in automotive history. Whether admired in a museum, showcased at a car show, or cruising down the road, the 1950 Bel Air continues to turn heads and spark memories of a golden age in American car manufacturing.